We are in California. I kind of can't believe we made it this far west, but here we are. We're getting kind of close to the end of the road trip, which is a little sad, but also kind of exciting because we're almost to our goal of seeing all 50 states. So anyway, our first stop today is Joshua Tree National Park. Our route right now is taking us through, I think it's the Mojave Desert National Preserve. So it's a very nice drive, and there are already like Joshua trees out kind of off on the side of the road. So it'll be cool to see the actual national park and be up close to them. But what are you most excited for about California?
Excited for good Mexican food in Southern California and warm weather. It's been a little cold these past couple of states.
We just made a pit stop at a grocery store to get some lunch. I think we're about 40 minutes from our first stop once we're in the park. I've got a Lunchable. The extra cheesy Lunchables are severely underrated. We just got to the Barker Dam Nature Trailhead, and it's a perfect 1 mile loop. There was quite a long list of emergency supplies that you're supposed to bring on this hike. I'm sure that they use the default list for all of the hikes, and there were like big dangerous ones here, but it was pretty funny seeing this list of 10 things to bring.
Emergency shelter, multi-tool, 10 gallons of water. We're hiking around Joshua Tree National Park. Very nice hike Joey found for us. There was a dam that had some water in it. Water in the desert is always a fun thing to see. We also saw a lot of millennials, I guess. Seem to be 30-somethings with lots of tattoos, fancy clothing, and expensive camera equipment. So I guess this park is trendy now, and that's what people are doing here. So it's cool to see that, as well as the nice rocks and trees. The best part of the hike is the post-hike drink. Great drink, Joey. We made it to our sleep spot after Joshua Tree. Had a great time there. And now we're settled in this like big, free, dry camping place. Joey found it on Harvest Host, but you don't have to book it on Harvest Host. You just get to pull up and be here. It's very nice. There's a lot of other campers here, so I feel nice and safe. Had a little Zoom call with my family, watching some tennis now, and
what are you gonna have for
we'll
dinner?
Go to bed.
That's the question.
Oh.
We are not going to dinner until going to bed until Evan eats dinner.
I think I'll just have some sleep for dinner. It's my favorite dinner.
Good morning. We left our sleep spot and went straight to Planet Fitness to take a shower. Now we are about to go to this very good looking coffee shop.
This is just a beautiful sandwich that I want you guys to see.
We are about an hour from Paige's house, and Evan needed to make a pit stop to get a hamburger, even though we just ate breakfast and we're about to go to Paige's to eat Thai food. But anyway, he's getting all fueled up for the last part of this drive, I guess. I just did like 25 miles of total like white knuckle driving around this windy cliff, but we made it fine.
So how does the theremin work? First, tick, who's this one, creates a signal that changes based on the capacitance of your hand. More capacitance decreases the number of electric waves per second or frequency of the signal.
Good morning. We spent the night with Paige and Joe and just made one last coffee run before we head out to our next stop, which is Los Angeles. Good morning. Evan is driving today because it's the weekend. We had a great time visiting with his family. Everybody, they were very gracious hosts. We were fed a fantastic meal, homemade guacamole, really great shrimp. I'm a terrible shrimp cooker, it turns out. This shrimp was very good. So we had a really nice time. And now we are on our way. We were driving along the Pacific Coast Highway. It's beautiful. We're looking out for seals and whales. We're probably a little too close to shore for them, but we're still looking out for them. And we are on the way to visit with my friend Delisa now. Delisa was my first best friend. Yeah, I think she was my first best friend. And we stayed very good friends for all these years since elementary school. So we're gonna go hang out with her. Good morning. We just left my friend Elisa's house. We had a fantastic time with her all day yesterday. She took us out for coffee, and then we met up with her Nana, who was so sweet and I've heard about since like 5th grade when I met Delisa. And so yeah, we spent time at her house, and then we went out to dinner together and sat around, watched TV with Delisa and showed her our videos and stuff. So we had a really fantastic time. It was nice catching up with her and for Evan to get to hang out with her a little bit. They've met before, but it was only brief. So this was a really great visit. Now we are on the way up to Santa Barbara. I'm like keeping an eye on the traffic. We're kind of stalling right now so that hopefully we catch the tail end of rush hour and don't have to sit in the thick of it. So we will see how that goes. And meanwhile, Evan's gonna be working away.
We've been driving for a little while. Joey's doing a great job. There seemed to be quite a bit of LA traffic, so that was a fun little experience we had. I guess that's a full taste of the California or Southern California experience. So we did that. Wasn't so bad, right?
It wasn't like awful stop and go traffic. It would just be a big slowdown for 10 minutes and then you kept going. So now we're all north of that and the drive is much smoother. We are leaving the car place. We were just here for 2 hours or so.
4 hours.
Yeah, it was a
Felt
while.
like forever.
It was a while. Not great news.
It's fine. It's like when you're like a little kid complains and says she's got a runny nose, and it's all.
Okay. It's okay.
It's a whole big problem. We gotta go to the doctor. We gotta go to the hospital. You sit in urgent care for 8 hours. The doctor sees a kid. It's like, yeah, it's a kid. Kids sneeze and stuff. The car's fine.
Well, the good news is we have not many days left driving this van. If it stops running, we'll call a tow truck. Is kind of how we're going to proceed. Despite the car trouble, we are just choosing to proceed business as usual. So we are in a shawarma shop and a coffee shop over there. They're in the same place, which is nice. So Evan just got some sort of very well seasoned meat, and I got some falafel and spicy sauce, and I just got a little cortado. It's like 4 in the afternoon, so I did decaf. After we eat this, we are going to head over to our campsite. We just got to our campsite, got checked in, and it's beautiful already. We are walking down the boardwalk now to go to the water. Are there seals here?
Could be seals.
What? Evan, no freaking way, they're dolphins!
No way.
Yes, I'm totally serious. Watch right over there. What perfect timing, Evan.
Saw a dolphin
They've got the whole ocean. I saw 2.
Oh.
They've got the whole ocean
That
and they're
one out
right
there?
here.
This is lighting. Top-notch lighting we got here. Wow.
We just finished up the rest of our dinner on the beach. Nice little beach picnic. We're sitting on our hammocks because the sand dusts out of those easier than sand dusts out of like regular blankets or towels. So we're just watching this guy e-foil. There's a little surfer, but he's not really surfing. He's just out there for the vibes, I guess. But as soon as we walked down the beach, we saw dolphins. And then we were like, what is that little orb looking thing, that little shiny orb? And they were seals. there's seals out here. And to give some credit to sharks, I totally see why, like, shark bites happen. Because when this foiler falls off his board and is treading water, he looks exactly like these seals do. So no hard feelings to the sharks who've caused some ruckus. Good morning. We had a great sleep right next to the beach. The campsite was nice and quiet. Had a little coin-operated shower this morning, and these really cool tokens that we had to use for the showers.
You still have some?
I had 3.
Joe, you should have left them.
I should have. But a little California State Parks thing.
You're
And on the
fine
back
with
it says the name of the beach. I didn't think we needed this many tokens to begin with, but Evan
that's on me.
overestimated.
I didn't want to be in the shower all cold and soaked and dripping and say, Joey, go get me another token.
Yeah, so it was a good call, but now we have some little collector's items. And we are about to divide and conquer for breakfast before we hit the road. So I'm going to Starbs, but there's this little donut shop right there. So Evan's going to take you with him as he goes in there.
I got this one old-fashioned half-eaten donut. That's what I received from the donut place. And then I also got,
Oh, what's this big thing?
oh yeah, it's a big piece of poop. No, it's a apple fritter. Yeah, very good.
Nice.
Want to try it?
We got our breakfast and we just doubled back to the campsite because I felt horrible about forgetting to put those coins in the bathroom, the shower tokens. So where'd you put them?
I put one in each shower so everyone gets an extra couple minutes.
That's really sweet. That's really nice of you. Thank you for doing that. We were gonna fill up our water, but it's a little white. It's probably just aerated.
Fine.
But I'll let Evan drink this and test it out. So we had an excellent couple of days in Southern California. We really like it here. It's finally warm again. We aren't freezing at night, and we got to see a lot of family and friends here. So now we are headed north up the coast.